Are these budget earbuds about to blow your mind or just blow your money? Let's dive right in and unbox these Ronin R-520s. Inside, you'll find the charging case, the earbuds themselves, a charging cable, and some extra ear tips for a comfortable fit. First impressions, the build quality feels surprisingly decent for the price. Taking a closer look at the earbuds, they sport a sleek, minimalist design. The finish isn't premium, but it doesn't feel cheap either. Now, let's talk sound quality. I've been testing these with various genres of music and making a few calls. The sound is surprisingly balanced with a decent bass response. Highs are clear, but not overly sharp. Call quality is adequate, nothing spectacular, but definitely usable. Battery life is another plus. I'm getting around 45 hours on a single charge, and the case provides multiple recharges extending the total playtime considerably. Now, for the final verdict. The R520s have impressive features like touch controls and solid Bluetooth connectivity. However, don't expect advanced features like active noise cancellation or robust water resistance. So, are they worth it? If you're on a tight budget, looking for a pair of earbuds for casual use, or simply need a backup pair, the Ronin R520s are a solid option. They punch above their weight class in terms of sound quality and features, making them good enough for the price. What do you think? Let me know in the comments.